Times are changing, as Bob Dylan once sang. My name is Lena Vasne. I'm the Managing Director of Convotherm. Our industry is going through unprecedented change and turbulence. And the only thing that's certain today is that nothing is certain anymore. As a result, business is becoming more complex than ever before. No longer is it only about making the right menu choices, having the right offering, providing the right quality, staffing issues around finding, training, and keeping staff. It's also about hygiene, ensuring customer safety, complying with regulatory requirements, affording staff, running costs, and investments. Even business models have to be rethought. Are we going to keep our current model or develop new concepts? Takeout, delivery, and ghost kitchens are typical considerations. How do we fund recovery and hopefully a subsequent expansion? How do we manage fixed cost and variable cost? We think it's about making the right decisions, and that will determine who wins and who loses. How can we help? At Convotherm, we want to make your life easier with the right products and services for all customers. Solutions that integrate easily into business processes, whether that be hardware, software, or digital. Products that are easy to sell and service. Being a trusted and dependable partner, bringing smiles to customers and success to operators. Our promise to you, we take care of cooking so that you can take care of everything else. Today, we're here to celebrate the launch of the Maxx Pro. How does the Maxx Pro fit in with other Convotherm product families? Mini is still the right product for customers with space limitations, but those who still require performance, capacity, and flexibility of a combi oven. Maxx is just the right mix of performance and price, a focused offering for customers that want to get more out of their kitchen. Maxx Pro goes one step further. Complete features for all types of customers, whether that be grilling, smoking, baking, and even AI-powered automated cooking through our ConvoSense technology. Cooking and performance in high definition, as we like to define it. Who is the Maxx Pro aimed at? The Maxx Pro is for our most demanding customer. Nomen et omen for the pros. Some of the key characteristics are maximum performance without feature overload, balancing those features and ease of operations. Maximum capacity, whether that be mixed loads or batch cooking. Maximum flexibility and adaptability. It can be programmed and customized or operated manually. Maximum quality and durability, made in Germany. Maximum sustainability, consumption and recyclability. Maximum connectivity, it's born digital with menu uploads, quality control and performance management functionality built in. And at the same time, it offers minimum operating costs in terms of energy, water and chemicals consumption, and offering simple and easy service. Maxx Pro integrates almost 50 years of Convotherm experience, advanced new technology, including AI-powered automation, and German engineering, so that you don't have to worry about cooking or cleaning. We believe so much in this that we have formulated a new philosophy to guide us and our customers into the future. Intelligent simplicity. I'm sure you're going to enjoy the rest of the launch. Thank you.
Thanks, Rainer, for the introduction. My name is Julie Schemfelder. I'm Head of Marketing here at Convotherm. I'd like to welcome you to the Convotherm Maxx Pro launch, and I'll be showing you what you'll be seeing over the next half an hour. So first of all, I'll be handing you over to Arndt Mante, Director of Product Management. He'll be showing you the highlights of the product and introducing the new family members. Arndt will be joined by Andy, our corporate chef, and together they'll be putting the Maxx Pro into action and showing you some of the main features by creating a number of great dishes. After that, we'll be going over to Heinz Moosburger, Head of Service, and Conny Kauernetz from Product Management. They will be talking about the service of the Maxx Pro and also showing how intelligent simplicity, our philosophy, has an impact on the total cost of ownership. Afterwards, I'll be taking you through some of the thoughts and elements of the Maxx Pro campaign, Maxx Pro High Definition. During the event, we've got a live chat line, so please send us your questions and we'll be answering them as we go along. With that, I'll now hand over to Arndt.
Hello, my name is Arndt Manta, and I'm the responsible head of product management here at Convotherm. We pride ourselves on providing premium quality ovens with a high degree of customization and flexibility in models and variants, so every customer gets exactly the combi oven to suit their needs. The star of today is our new Maxx Pro family. The Maxx Pro is our high-end combi oven family. This oven is, as the name suggests, it provides maximum functionality, which is perfect for the pro. What is the Maxx Pro family? The Convotherm Maxx Pro are our tabletop models, available in 610, 1010, 620, and 1020. Available in all common configurations, such as electric or gas, and boiler or spritzer. The Convotherm Maxx Pro is also available as a bake version, a marine version, or a prison version. You can have the Convo Smoke. This is our fully integrated smoker option. And at least the Convotherm Grill. It's our grease management option. The Maxx Pro is compatible with all Convotherm 4 accessories. The floor standing models will come in 2022. We'll keep the Easy Dial version for the floor standing models, as well as the Easy Dial for the Maxx Pro tabletop versions. Let's have a closer look at the Maxx Pro.
Sorry, Arndt, to interrupt you. I really need to preheat our Convotherm.
Hello, Andy.
Hi.
Good to have you here.
Yeah, sorry. I just need to preheat the oven and the griddle since we want to do, after your part, some cooking.
Okay, please let me introduce you to Chef Andy. He's our corporate chef here at Convotherm headquarters.
And always busy, that's why have fun and see you later.
And no worries, I'll use the preheat time to explain some more features of the Maxx Pro. So we'll stay in time. And once again, let's have a closer look at the Maxx Pro. What makes the Maxx Pro the Maxx Pro? It's the new designed, good-looking door. With LED lights for superb visibility inside the cavity. And the new door has triple glass, which is one of the factors and reasons for the improved energy savings. Both LED lights and triple glass will be included in the right hinge door as well as in the disappearing door. And what's also new is the redesigned two-stage door handle with slam function and hygienic care with silver ions embedded. What else is new? We have this 10-inch high-resolution TFT glass display, hygienic with its glass surface, with swiping function like with your smartphone, and with very brilliant colors, so for a good visibility even from far. And also, we have a new software interface from Mode and Design. New software interface, Mode and Design. That sounds interesting, doesn't it? With this, you get intuitive user guidance, everything where you would expect it to be, in the known place from Convotherm 4. That's Convotherm consistency. Let's have a look at the home screen. Manual cooking, automatic cooking with press and go. The cookbook with your favorites, regeneration, cleaning, and the settings. Almost the same groups, icons, look and feel from what you know from Convotherm 4. Easy recognizable. And they have a common usage across product lines and brands all over Wellbuild. So also there for a quicker and easier usage and for more intuitivity. The Convotherm Maxx Pro really has got a lot of fantastic features, grouped into the following categories: climate management, quality management, production management, and cleaning management. Climate management is the combination of advanced technology and a number of functions that ensure every type of food is cooked in the optimum cooking climate. Having the perfect climate for every food ensures that your oven is working most efficiently. This means best performance at most energy efficient costs. Our climate management consists of the Natural Smart Climate with our unique closed cooking system ACS+. This has got two main advantages over other systems. As the cooking chamber is totally sealed, every type of food absorbs the ideal amount of moisture, regardless whether it's frozen, fresh, or pre-cooked. The closed system also means that no energy is wasted, so you have safe costs. Another part in the climate management is crisp and tasty. Active 5-level moisture removal in the cooking chamber in hot air mode. Let's talk about Convotherm quality management. The Convotherm quality management ensures that the best cooking and baking results are not a coincidence, and that whatever it is you are cooking, you get the top results exactly as you want them. A new feature in quality management is hot smoke. Now with the Maxx Pro, you can not only cold smoke, but also hot smoke in all 3 cooking modes. Whether it's steam, convection, or in combi mode. What are the advantages of Convo Smoke? It's quicker. You can integrate it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the cooking process. You have the possibility of choosing it for all different cooking modes. That makes Convo Smoke applicable to all product types. And with Convo Smoke, you can use biscuits or wood chips for top flexibility. Coming to the production management. With the Convotherm production management, we ensure that you maintain the total overview even with the most complex processes. And together with Kitchen Connect, our cloud-based network solution, you can even more keep the total overview with the most complex processes. You can connect over Wi-Fi and LAN interface as a standard. So I'm done with my part and I'm really hungry.
Cool. How was it?
It was great. And I see you already prepared some dishes for me.
Unfortunately, not really for you. Those 2 plates are already reserved. But I have this beautiful apron for you. And I think you know what this means for you.
I absolutely know what you mean. You want me to cook it by myself.
Welcome to the self-service canteen.
Okay, but you know that I'm not a chef, and how should I do this?
Most important thing is everything is well prepared for you already. And the beauty is you will work with the Convotherm Maxx Pro here.
Okay, I thought I'll get served, but anyhow, I'll try. Any last instructions?
Since you work in press and go, you only need your finger.
Okay, well, I got 1 finger. Okay.
Which dish you want to choose?
Well, I choose the prawns with the tofu.
Excellent choice. And you know what, since you are so motivated, I think I have to take the chance. Can you do 1 beef fillet including sides for myself?
Okay, now it gets really cool. Yeah, okay, I'll try so, but still remember, I'm not a chef.
I really have to take the chance when Arndt is cooking for myself. So, perfect.
Good. I already see the griddles inside. Any special reason for this?
Yeah, actually, I'm preheated or have preheated the griddle for the simple reason that when you look to the counter, we have short cooking or short grilling items. The beauty with those is that we can work from either cold or from hot. When we work from cold, what is really, really easy, for thick pieces of meat, for short cooking items, like for example the prawns, only 4 minutes cook time, I would like to have grill marks without overcooking the product. So from a culinary perspective, it's great to preheat the griddles in this case.
Okay, so you know that the prawns, for example, have a short cook time, but how should I know?
Here the beauty again is press and go. Everything what you normally need to know about cook time, cooking method, features, you don't have to think about. Everything is stored and linked to the profiles what we will use in press and go to guarantee actually to achieve exactly the same quality what you see on the 2 plates in front of us.
So, okay, I'll use my finger and press the grilled prawns.
There you are. And the first thing what you see now is our tray view. And the tray view, now the Convotherm actually asking you how many trays of prawns you want to do, and you can also choose the tray position of your choice.
Okay, as we're only doing 1 dish of prawns with tofu, I will only choose 1 tray and I will put it to tray number 2.
And on the side we have?
The tofu.
Cool. So just press the plus and it brings you back to the profile selection.
Absolutely. Here I find the grilled tofu. Okay, so I put it on tray number 4.
Your dish is complete. So
let's continue with yours. So I need to put the beef on the tray. So I'll choose that. Grilled beef is here. And I'll put it on tray number 6.
Cool. On the side we have potatoes and grilled peppers.
Absolutely. So I'll choose the plus again. The grilled potatoes I find here. I'll put it there. And so easy. I can do it by myself. That's cool.
1 finger, like I said. Well, like I said.
Perfect.
So now everything is set it up.
Okay, and I can see here the seafood and the grilled beef. Well, I was told that this is not working very well together and not too good. What do you say about that?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. So normally at home, for example, you would never do a steak and seafood in the same pan. There would be a cross-flavoring. And this is what people don't like, the taste and flavor of other items on their steak, for example. In our Convotherm Max Pro, in our closed system, together with the Natural Smart Climate, we can guarantee that there will be no cross-flavoring through the products, and that actually allows us to use the Convotherm Max Pro faster, more efficient, and it makes our life much easier.
Fantastic. So we're done with the selection of the trays.
Yep.
What's next?
Start with the container of the prawns. I open the door in the meantime.
Okay.
And let's start serving. So the beauty here is you can see on the screen actually all the position of the products you choose. So grilled prawns, 3 pieces. The next one, please, the tofu, Arndt.
Absolutely, the tofu's coming.
Thank you so much. 1, 2, give me one more.
Okay.
Thank you. And then the beef.
I'll take the beef.
That looks gorgeous.
Absolutely fantastic.
So, 1 portion. Then please the potatoes and the peppers.
Okay. Potatoes and the peppers.
Thank you. So now it's just a little portion of everything. So I will also take some zucchini, I guess. And yeah, that's it actually. So now the only thing what we have to do is close the door, and that's actually it. And now you actually also see first time the timer clocking down.
Fantastic. Okay.
So I get the plates and I'm back in a few minutes.
Good. And I'll take the time and give you some more information on the Max Pro. So talking about all the new things regarding features, accessories, and things like that with the Max Pro, some things stay the same. For example, the accessories for the Convotherm 4 can still be used for the Max Pro. All the stands, stacking kits, trays, racks, griddles can be used also in the Max Pro.
Yeah, perfect timing, Arndt.
Good. Look at this. The tofu should be removed.
Yep, so you can see now clearly tray position number 4, grilled tofu, remove. And that was actually perfect timing with your speech. So let's take out
And close the door again. So grilled beef will be the next.
beautiful.
Together with the prawns.
Yep. So the prawns and the beef will be the next 2 items, and we have just 36 seconds to go. And now look at this, we already have nice grill marks in just 3 minutes, thanks to the preheated griddles. So this will be your plate. So we're all setting up the tofu. Do you like 2 or 3 pieces?
Well, I'll take 3,
Why
as
not?
you did. 3? Well, they look gorgeous, so yummy.
Yummy, correct. So, and this is, like I said, with short cooking items, short grilled items, you will see it on the steak as well. It just helps you when you work with preheated griddles, and especially in the a la carte service.
Yeah, that's cool. And what's happening if I want to add some new items?
Good point. So now we are actually removing another 2 racks, so we get actually more and more space back in our Convotherm Max Pro. That means also, of course, when the next order is coming in, like another prawns, another steaks, there's available space. So, of course, just go back to the profile selection, choose the next one, and you can fill it up with the next dishes.
Okay, so this is also working with the plus again.
Yeah, so here we have your beautiful grilled prawns. Yummy. There we are. So now we just add a little bit of sweet chili sauce.
Looks lovely. And some garnish.
Some garnish. And then your dish actually is already done. And our beef fillet, look at this color, this browning.
Wonderful.
Beautiful. So I
Beautiful
just
grill marks.
let it rest a little bit until our side dishes are ready. So your dish is there, and we have 5 seconds more to wait. It goes so fast. It goes so fast.
Wow.
So,
The grilled peppers on the last tray.
correct. It's also done.
And close again.
So here now, when we look to our zucchini and the peppers, nice grill marks on the product. So we can start with plating the beef dish. We have the peppers. Hot, 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 hot. There we are.
But also, this looks lovely.
It is. So now this beautiful steak with the grill marks on. And now we just have to wait for our potatoes another 30 seconds. And I mean, when you look to those grill marks and to the peppers and to the prawns, you wouldn't expect this is coming from a combi oven.
No,
when you get
not
served
really.
something like that in a restaurant. It looks absolutely authentic. And again, Arndt, we didn't talk about time, temperature, and cooking method. It's actually just looking similar like the sample plates we saw at the beginning.
And again, 6 seconds, so all just in time.
It is in time. Perfect a la carte
Wow.
equipment. And the last dish.
And now we were doing just 2 dishes, you know, but we could even do more, you know?
Of course, now it is really a light loading what we did. You can do fully load and still achieving the same quality. Obviously, the cook time would be longer. Press and go would recalculate the timing as more quantity is coming inside the Convotherm, but the product quality remains the same. So there's no additional teaching needed for you, either if it's 1 portion or 10 portion. So now, Arndt, this is your beautiful grilled prawns with grilled tofu. That's my beef fillet with potatoes and some peppers.
Fantastic.
And it looks delicious.
Let's enjoy.
1 finger only. So I think it's time for a break to enjoy our food.
Absolutely. Andy, would you take my plate as well? I'll have to explain some more features of the Maxx Pro.
I cannot guarantee that this plate is still there.
I guarantee. But sure, I will look forward to having it afterwards.
I wait for you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, after the cooking, there's the cleaning. Let's have a look at the Convotherm cleaning management. Our cleaning management is a combination of advanced features and functions that ensure that your Maxx Pro provides perfect cleanliness and can be adjusted perfectly to your usage needs. ConvoClean is a fully automatic cleaning system with 5 cleaning programs, a rinse step, and 4 soiling levels, all in a regular, eco, or express mode processable. We have no contact with chemicals at all when starting the cleaning process. ConvoClean is especially simple, reliable, environmental friendly cleaning system, including the biodegradable cleaning liquids. And the best is, it's certified for unattended cleaning, for example, overnight. And now it's even better and easier to handle. You can now create your own cleaning profiles and save them under your chosen name with a picture, having quick and easy access via the cleaning favorites. You can make the Maxx Pro even remind you that it's time for a cleaning with a new cleaning scheduler. You choose the day and the hour when you want to be reminded. We here at Convotherm believe that with the Convotherm Maxx Pro, Convotherm has created a combi oven that fulfills all the expectations of its users in their hard day's work. With this, I say thank you and goodbye. And now I'm looking for my lovely dish.
Hello and welcome here at Convotherm, live from our service studio. My name is Connie and with me is Heinz, our head of service and the film crew. Today we are going to talk about the Convotherm philosophy, intelligent simplicity, and how this impacts your total cost of ownership. It's all about innovation from the beginning, which really makes sense. Heinz, can you tell us a little bit about intelligent simplicity?
Intelligent simplicity is all about creating smart solutions. And these from the day number 1 of the combi steamer till the end of his life cycle. This increases the efficiency and means our customer have less costs.
So I see here some tools. Can we learn a little bit about this? the tools, and I don't see plenty of it. So
Yeah, there are 9 different tools here on the table, and these are standard tools. That's absolutely standard tools, and these standard tools every technician around the world have in his toolbox. And here you see not a Torx key or a special tool. That's all of these are simple and standard tools. And by the way, with these 9 tools, a technician can make the maintenance, the repair of a combi oven. And not only on the 610, they can make the maintenance and repair of the 610 up to the 2020. Less tools means it is not so complicated to make service. If it's not so complicated to make service on a combi steamer, you have less costs for the end customer.
talking about reducing the cost of ownership, is this a topic which becomes more and more important? Are you know?
Yeah, it is more and more important. Our customers, the dealers, the end customer, also the chef, they call us and ask us about this cost of ownership. How expensive it is to change the door gasket after 2 years. Yeah? They would like to know how expensive it is when a technician has to change a motor, for example.
Perhaps we can have a look at the Convotherm Max Pro and we talk a little bit about, the service USPs. And I remember very well we are well known for our 5 service hatches with the Convotherm 4. What about the Convotherm Max Pro?
Yeah. The Max Pro has also the 5 different service hatches. So we have underneath the oven a service hatch, we have it in front of, we have it on the side, and on the pumps also. Yeah, we have the same system. It's absolutely the same service friendly than the Convotherm 4 and the P3. But it is also not covered any different part. So here you see the motor, and this is one of the main parts inside a combi oven. And the motor can be very simple and fast exchanged. We have here the nuts. They have to open these nuts. They have to open some nuts inside the chamber and can put it out before they have, like on our competitors, to dismount some parts in front of the motor.
This saves time, this saves money, it's quick, it's easy. I do listen to you and it sounds so simple, but is that common in our industry?
No, absolutely not. It's not common. So if we have a look to our competitors, we see that some parts need a changing of the position of the combi oven on his back in a gastronomic kitchen. If you think about that, that's normally impossible. But it's needed on some of our competitors to change, for example, underneath the oven a pump. These here, absolutely not needed. The motor is controlled for his different speeds by a frequency converter. You see here 2 different parts, yeah? And these parts are not fixed in one module. These parts are separately made. So some other manufacturers, they put both parts in one module. Yeah? Then later, after years, when the unit have a problem on the motor or maybe on the frequency converter, the technician have to change this whole module. And by the way, they cost 1,300 euro compared to here when we change only the motor or we change only the frequency converter, 300 euro. Yeah? So from the cost perspective, this is a big difference.
So I see that was a very good example of how we reduce cost of ownership. And now I think also of the durability of the part itself. Can you please tell us something about this?
We upgrade 2 parts.
With the Convotherm Max Pro.
On the Max Pro, exactly. So we upgrade or we new engineer the material of the door gasket. Yeah? The door gasket is, by the way, the only wear and tear part inside the combi steamer. And the door gasket is having normally 2 years lifetime, depending on the using. And we upgrade it. And we upgrade also the oven lighting. The oven lighting means we change from halogen to LED lighting. So the lifetime now of the lighting, the LED lighting is 5 years minimum. It's much longer than a little bulb.
That's a benefit. And I just think of now the viewers who are already Convotherm 4 operator. Are the door gaskets, are they retrofittable to Convotherm 4?
Yes, There are, at Convotherm, a lot of things are retrofit-able when we create a new design or when we engineer it new with new materials, for example. And here the door gasket can be used not only on the Maxx Pro, they can be used also as well in the previous model, the Convotherm 4, and can be used also in the P3. So here the customer, the chef, can participate about this new engineered material also in his older unit.
And this brings me now to another topic. And can you please first help me? I think it's a stable unit. Thank you. I was wondering just right now, what's this here? And this brings me to another topic. What about, the warranty itself, the process, or let's say the registration?
When the technician use here his mobile device and go to the photo function, scan this QR code, okay, and automatically the link is open, and on this link they press and a new list starts, and they have to fill out 2 or 3 minutes this list and send it, and then automatically second year warranty for spare parts and warranty registration is made in one way.
That's simple and that's quick.
Yes.
And we don't have to download any app, so we just take a picture with our smartphone and we can register for both, as you just explained. So we've just seen that our philosophy, intelligent simplicity, really covers all efficiency aspects. And it's all about innovation from the beginning, which really makes sense. And so if you want to have more information on that, and please watch our videos on different topics and visit our homepage on www.convotherm.com. So Heinz, thank you very much.
Thank you, you're welcome.
And goodbye.
Bye.
Hello. You've heard from Arndt and Andy that the Convotherm Maxx Pro is all about offering top features in a top quality product. Now let me tell you a little bit about the campaign. We've called the campaign Maxx Pro High Definition. There are many good combi ovens on the market, but at Convotherm, we believe that the best combi oven isn't about buying the combi oven with the most features, because features alone don't guarantee the best cooking results, and they don't guarantee long durability and reliability. We believe at Convotherm that buying a high-end combi oven is about buying the best overall package, innovations that make sense from the beginning all the way to the end. This is what we call high definition. And with this, we would like to redefine the term quality in terms of combi ovens. The campaign focuses on 3 main points. Firstly, high definition in terms of the Maxx Pro being the best overall package on the market, much more than the sum of its parts. Second, high definition in terms of the quality of the hardware and software of the product. And thirdly, high definition in terms of the processes and cooking results you get with the oven. In our campaign, High Definition, we're going to be focusing on these 3 areas and explaining them, because we believe that this is where the Convotherm Maxx Pro is really the best product out there on the market. We also look at our philosophy, intelligent simplicity. You've heard about this during the launch. This ensures that all our products are efficient and thought through from beginning to end. Heinz and Connie have also shown how this also has an impact on total cost of ownership. We also want to talk about our options, high-quality German engineering with a real eye for detail. These options give you the flexibility to customize your oven, so it's really the perfect solution for what you need. Only Convotherm offers this degree of customization. We have Convo Smoke, the innovative and practical solution for highest flexibility in smoking. We have Convo Grill, which is patented and is by far the most refined grease management system out there on the market. And we have Convo Serve. This is our production concept for banqueting, buffet, and a la carte, from regeneration to serving. As our product family is growing, it becomes somewhat harder to differentiate between the product models. For this reason, we're introducing the new Convotherm product comparison tool. It's really easy to use. You can select 3 different product models. You can glance down the key characteristics, the options that a product has, and the technical data. Of course, it doesn't replace the technical data sheets, but it does give easy access for our customers to our product families, and it will help them select the product that most suits their needs. This tool you can find on the Convotherm homepage. Digitally, the Convotherm homepage is the communication and information hub of the campaign. We want to make this as interactive and exciting as possible. The trend here is to increasing the digital brand experience with 3D materials and more product interaction. And I hope Convotherm can take its place amongst the best. We are pleased to announce that with the launch of the Convotherm Max Pro, we are also launching our new online platform, Recipes Around the World. This platform is on our website and enhances our digital offering. It brings our Convotherm ready recipes online. Customers can browse and select the recipes they like. They can then save them, and with the help of our cloud-based solution, Kitchen Connect, they can send them straight to their product. It's also a first step to building a community with chefs from around the world who love to use and cook with Convotherm products. Lastly, we'll be present in all the social media channels and digital platforms. With the campaign Max Pro High Definition, we'd like to further expand our growing community in the social media world. And with that, I'd like to show you a couple of the teasers that at the moment are running in the social media. With that, I'd like to say thank you. We've come now to the end of the Convotherm Max Pro launch part. Today we've shown you all about Max Pro High Definition and what that really stands for. I would like to end now with a new product video of the Max Pro. Thank you very much for your participation, and we wish you all the best for the rest of the event.